All right, now in this example, we're told that we're working for a pay rate of $8.50 per hour, 16 hours a week for a local clothing store. So with this pay rate and working that much, we should get a gross pay of $136. And then we're given the following tax rates. The federal tax is 10%, the FICA tax is 5.65%, and the state tax is 4%. So using these values with that gross pay, you can get the amount that's withheld for taxes for each one of these. And so the total amount withheld for taxes, if you add these up, comes out to be $26.72. Now, in this example, we're asked what percentage of our gross pay is withheld for taxes. So in general, to find the percentage of an amount, you do the amount of what you're talking about and divide by what it's coming out of. So the taxes are what we're asking about, the $26.72. So I'm going to put that up here. $26.72. The bottom, what are these taxes coming out of? Well, they're coming out of my gross pay, the $136. So I'll put that down here. And so they tell us to round to the nearest tenth of a percent. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this in the calculator. 26.72 divided by 136. Now I get a fairly long decimal here, so I'm just going to write down as much of it as reasonable. I'm going to say 0.1964705, and then I have 88, so I'm going to round that to 9 to start with. Now this is a decimal number, and I want to put it as a percent. So I'm just going to take this decimal and hop it 2 to the right. 1, 2. And so I get 19.6. Now they said to round to the nearest tenth of a percent. So tenth of a percent is, well, it's right here. Well, I have 6 followed by 4. 4 is less than 5, so I don't need to round up. I just drop the rest of these digits. So that comes out to be 19.6% of my gross pay. An annoyingly large amount, but hey, that is the percentage of your gross pay at this pay rate with these tax rates and working this long from your paycheck. 19.6% of it goes to taxes. And that is this example.